Welcome back to CoderZ Bytes. Did you miss us? This video's subject is archiving a class. Educators who've been using CoderZ for a while might find themselves juggling multiple classes and might have old classes that are no longer in use. To help you avoid clutter in the My Classes dashboard, there's a very easy archive option available when you hover over a class. Archived classes will be grouped at the bottom of the page, and you can see they're all grayed out. Please be sure to double-check before archiving a class, since students who are enrolled to a class that is archived will no longer have access to its courses. Also, please note that archiving a class does not release the licenses or seats used by its students. That said, archiving a class is not the end. It can still be restored by hovering over it and clicking Restore. This will also restore students access to the class's courses. Check out our knowledge base article on the subject if you want more info, and see you next time.